All right, and now we're doing 8Q reverse strings. This is by Jay Hoffner. 90% of the people like it. We're going to complete the solution so that it reverses the strings passed into it. So world will be DL row and word will be D row, all right? So on this, we're going to start off with return. We're going to go str. And first we're going to use split, which is the split method divides a string into an ordered list of substrings, puts these substrings into an array, and returns the array. The division is done by searching for a pattern where the pattern is provided as the first parameter in the method's call. All right, so right here, it's splitting by the space in between the words, and it's calling for words 3. Here's words 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3, all right? This one's splitting by the spaces in between the characters, so it's looking for 8, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going to be the K. And then when it's splits by nothing, the array, it's going to have the string in just an array like that in one element. All right, so str, and we're splitting it by the spaces in between the characters, so like that. And then we're going to reverse it, dot reverse. And dot reverse right here is the reverse method reverses an array in place. The first array element becomes the last, and the last array element becomes the first, all right? So here we're going to have, here's where it is at the beginning. It comes out array 1, 2, 3. And then when you reverse it, it comes out 3, 2, 1. See array dot 1 dot reverse. But when you do this, it changes the original array. So now when you click, when you want to see array 1, it's going to be 3, 2, 1 instead of 1, 2, 3. All right? Just to let you know. So we're going to reverse it. And then we're going to join it all back together and make it a string all over again. And we're going to join it by the spaces in between the characters. So here's join right here. The join method creates and returns a new string by concatenating all of the elements in an array or an array-like object, separated by commas or a specified separator string. If the array has only one item, then that item will be returned without using the separator, right? So this one's separated by, joined by nothing, so it's going to have commas, right? This one's joined by these spaces in between characters, so as you can see, it's joined right there, and this one's by hyphens, and here's hyphens right here, all right? So dot join the spaces in between, test it out. Nope, what's wrong? str dot split. Split. There we go. Test it out. Perfect. All right. And attempt it. And great. And submit it. And awesome. And very much like it. Come on, very like. Stop playing around. Well, I very like it. And I like the best practice too. But I'm pretty sure at this time in the morning, this site's really slow. All right, we got the best practice up, but oh, and the very like right there. Awesome. All right, and we'll see you next time.